Hi guys, I need your help today. There is a poem I've known since I was a child, but for the life of me, I can't remember the last half of it. I will say the first part, and I'm hoping someone knows the poem and will be able to provide me with the words for the remaining part. Okay, it goes like this. The old man sat down on the bench, his gray hair told his age. The student who'd been there before sniffed once and turned a page. The old man gently touched his sleeve. "Excuse me, son," said he. The student turned his head surprised. What could the trouble be? "Why study so?" the old man asked. "Will you tell this to me?" "So I may go," the student said, "to university." "And after you have studied there," the old man asked, "then what?" "Then I will find a well-paid job with the degree I've got." "What after this?" the old man probed. "What will life hold for thee?" And I don't remember any more. Can anybody help me? Just to add for clarity, I do remember the last few lines of the poem as well, and it goes like this. "Why, then I'll die," the student quipped, "when I'm 70. And after death," the old man cried, "after death, what then?" And that's how the poem ends. But that's all I know. I don't remember any more of it. I've searched Google. I've tried all the keywords, not yielding anything. So if anybody knows the poem, please put the rest of it in the comment section below for me, or send me a link to it. Or if you have it in a book, take a photo of the poem and send it to me. Please. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your help. Bye bye.